watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Fall is about to arrive, making it a great time to refresh your home decor. Pumpkins are a versatile and classic choice for adding a touch of autumn warmth. Whether you stick to natural tones or try something more creative, pumpkins can be used in many ways to bring a seasonal feel to your space. Simple or detailed, there's a pumpkin idea for everyone as we prepare to embrace the changes of the season. Natural centerpiece. Create a beautiful fall centerpiece with a bowl filled with moss, vine balls, pumpkins, greenery, and driftwood. This arrangement brings a natural feel to your table. Bright porch decor. Welcome guests with a bright fall to Halloween porch setup featuring various pumpkins, including black and white ones, paired with vibrant fall blooms. Cozy porch display. Layer your porch with lots of pumpkins, gourds, leaves, and bright fall blooms. Add layered mats for a warm and inviting entrance. Rustic dough bowl. Fill a dough bowl with pumpkins, eucalyptus, and acorns to create a strong rustic feel in your fall decor. Chic arrangement. Combine real and fall pumpkins with cotton, greenery, and copper mugs in a dough bowl for a stylish and elegant fall arrangement. Elegant silver tray. Use a silver tray to arrange white pumpkins, wheat, and a wheat bundle in a metal jug for a chic fall centerpiece. Lush table runner. Decorate your table with a runner featuring pumpkins, gourds, antlers, candles, and beads for a lush and sophisticated look. Inviting tablescape. Create a cozy fall tablescape with pumpkins, leaves, and wheat arranged on stands and trays, making your dining area inviting and warm. Farmhouse tray. For a simple yet chic look, use a wooden tray to display pumpkins and a glass vase with branches and leaves. Lush fall arrangement. Combine lots of pumpkins, greenery, bright blooms, and a decorative sign to create a lovely and lush fall arrangement. Natural mantle decor. Adorn your mantle with lots of pumpkins and eucalyptus for a natural and elegant fall decoration. Neutral box arrangement. Fill a neutral-colored box with pale greenery, white pumpkins, berries, gourds, and other fall elements for a beautiful seasonal display. Basket centerpiece. Arrange white pumpkins and greenery in a basket, complemented by a bucket with a pumpkin for a neutral fall centerpiece. Carved pumpkin leaves. Get creative by carving leaves into a pumpkin for a beautiful and all-natural fall decoration. Rustic board display. Use a wooden board as the base for a rustic centerpiece featuring branches with berries, white pumpkins, and decorative tags. Metal bathtub display. Create a rustic fall arrangement with pumpkins, cotton, and wheat bundles displayed in a metal bathtub for a unique touch. Heirloom pumpkin stack. Stack heirloom pumpkins with green hydrangeas for a lovely and eye-catching centerpiece or decoration. Simple farmhouse display. Keep it simple with a farmhouse centerpiece featuring a wooden board with pumpkins, gourds, greenery, and candles. Wooden bowl arrangement. Fill a wooden bowl with gourds, pumpkins, and greenery for a simple yet elegant fall centerpiece. Crate with dried hydrangeas. Use a wooden crate to create a rough yet beautiful fall centerpiece with dried hydrangeas, greenery, pumpkins, a black sign, and lots of twigs. Pumpkins are more than just a symbol of fall. They're a versatile decor element that can transform your home into a cozy autumn retreat. These ideas will help you make the most of the season. Don't be afraid to mix and match different textures and colors to create a unique display that reflects your personal style. Thank you for watching, and happy decorating!